So as Gala Games continues to crash in value and the funds surrounding the company continues to rise, we have been seeing a lot more huge updates attempting to control this crisis. One of them being Eric Schumacher, also known as the benefactor, taking to Twitter again releasing another statement regarding this lawsuit, and you want to stick around to hear what he has to say because it is nuts. So in this video today I'll be covering that recent legal development and also the return of an old popular Gala game. But just as a reminder, I am not a financial or a legal advisor, so take what's said in this video with a pinch of salt. So to start off with, Town Crush is the game that is making a return. The reason for this game's lack of development is still unknown, but it seems that Gala Games have allowed the indie developer to use Gala Chain to further develop and finish this game, which is very good news for Gala right now as it attempts to continue its development and growth and to deter the ongoing FUD, which is exactly what the benefactor attempted to do here. Now this is crazy. Unsurprisingly, many people have asked for some clarity regarding this lawsuit, and even though Eric has said he can't publicly discuss these matters, he did so anyway to an extent to try and clear some things up. So as we know already, Eric filed a lawsuit against Wright in the federal court for some serious misconduct, and then Wright filed a countersuit against Eric, which Eric has said the lawsuit is unfounded and we are confident that we will prevail. Now, Eric said he wanted to address one thing in particular that has seemed to draw some attention. In Wright's lawsuit, he said that Eric used $5 million of Gala Games funds for a personal jet, and Eric claims that this is ridiculous and he has the truth for us. Now this is where it gets crazy. Wright Thurston, through his personal attorney, entered into a contract with Gulfstream to purchase a private jet with $65 million of company funds that was not authorized by Gala Games. To do this, Wright's personal attorney created a new and separate subsidiary of Gala Games and falsely represented that he himself, the attorney, was an executive vice president of Gala Games, and there's evidence attached in Eric's lawsuit. Wright's attorney has never ever had this role or title or any other position within the company. So then Wright then paid a $5 million deposit for the jet from the company funds, and he saddled the company with many more installment payments that were due to Gulfstream. The $5 million that he says that Eric paid for the jet was just one of the installment payments on the contract that he was forced into by the company. The company was forced from Wright Thurston. The company is stuck with this contract and they have no choice but to either make the installments or lose the millions of dollars they've already paid for the jet to date. So basically, Eric claims, again this is merely just allegations right now, but Eric claims that Wright and his attorney caused this problem and the company and Eric are simply navigating to minimize the harm done to this company. And this is just one of the many false accusations and allegations that Wright's lawsuit said about Eric. And they claim this tactic will fail. Now, I'm not going to pick a side here because at the end of the day, this is a very, very tricky situation to navigate, but we do know that from the Gala V2 upgrade, that was seemingly done now in an attempt to stop Wright Thurston from selling and rug pulling all of Gala's funds. So there does seem to be some truth in the matter that Eric and Gala Games are simply trying to minimize the harm done to the company from Wright Thurston. But until these allegations are cleared up, we won't truly know who is at fault. Eric seems to have a lot more evidence against Wright Thurston, but unfortunately, as they are both co-founders and owners of Gala Games, this is going to hurt the company no matter what the outcome is. However, there is more chance of a recovery should Eric come out on top. Thank you for watching the video, and remember, it's just a coin.